Hi YouTubers, welcome to one of my videos. I was over to see my mum again in Northampton and I popped into a charity shop which was Bernardo's, and this is another trash or treasure, and it's a portable DVD player I purchased for £6.50. It's come with all the leads. Just show you. It's got a lead that you can run it from your car and charge the battery. It's got a set of audio video in lead there. I'm not sure whether it's left and right stereo or video in or video out. I'm not sure. It might be just left channel, right channel audio and video in. Not certain. It came with this bag which also acts as the straps to fit it to, say, the back of a driver's seat for children to watch a video. Now the battery pack is detachable or separates. It's a rechargeable battery pack model BAT 2P 7.4 volt 3600 milliamp hour lithium ion battery, and that's on charge now. And battery charger is getting warm. It's got coloured lights on it. So this will be a trash or treasure. I'll show you the unit, what it looks like itself. Still got its price tag on. The bag it comes in opens up. Let's open it like that. Like that. It's what make is it? Ventura. JPEG viewer, video CD. Oh, it plays MP3s as well. And the idea is use this case it's in. Just put that, it's a little clip. Clips over there. It goes like that. And then with the straps you hang it like that on the back of the driver's seat, or it can be freestanding itself. What's it got? Zoom in and out, audio, pause, setup, stop, play, whatever else it does. And the only problem, I've not tried it fully, but the only problem I have spotted is the hinge here. I think the plastic pin there is broken. That goes through there. So what I'm going to try and do, I think these plastic bungs here come out and the screws, so I shall dismantle it and see if I can find a broken bit and whether it's possible to glue it back. I am not sure, but we'll have a go and see what we can do. So is it trash or is it treasure? Who knows? Now this is what it looks like out of its carrying case. Lots of zips on it. It's very clean, the carrying case. No damage. A bit of wear on the zip there. Not bad at all. So I put that over here with the wires. Let's put that over there. This is my old Windows 95 computer, which I just use for storage. Okay, now it's got an on-off button there, battery in, DC in, colour control. You can select 4:3 ratio or 16:9 ratio of the image. Zoom, audio menu, preview, next, pause, setup, stop, play, open. And then brightness wheel there, volume down here. On this side it's got volume, headphone 1, headphone 2, AV in and out. Oh, that's interesting. AV in, DVD. This side it's power on off, battery in, or the DC in there. Okay. Let's see if I can get these little plastic bungs out. Let's see if I can this separates. And I'll get at that broken hinge. Now I don't know if you can see these. These are little plastic bungs and they cover the screw heads. And there's 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this screen should separate in 2 halves. It looks like there's a plastic catch there which is broken, which just snaps into there. Yeah, so hopefully it'll all come apart. Interesting. It comes apart as I thought, like that, and it's broken a bit of plastic here, but inside that end there's a metal hinge pin. See, there's a piece of metal in there. There, just under there, just metal ridges. Under here, there isn't one. Whether it had one originally, I don't know, because there's not one inside here loose. I can only assume it either didn't have one, or when it was dropped it shot out and got lost. There's a bit of plastic, small piece of plastic, it's been dropped on this corner I think. So I'm just wondering what I can do. I'm just thinking something crude like a pen or a pencil would go in there and stop this coming out. Not sure, I'll have a look. Now I'm wondering whether if I got a piece of plastic and glued it in there, that would be enough. Broke a pen, but this pen's a bit too big, so I've got another pen here, and which is quite, it's not the most strong plastic, but that might go in like that and act as a hinge pin. Just to support this end. So, see if I can get that in. Well, it's not really going to plan. Piece of plastic I made should do the job, but when I pushed it in, it fell inside because there's a cavity. So I've had to take it all apart, have a look, see if that metal part of the hinge was inside. And it wasn't. Well, I haven't found it anyway, so I've had to strip it, and I'm in the process of trying to get it back together now, and which is not easy. There's screws and springs and bits of plastic, and oh god, it's a bit of a nightmare. One of the big issues I've had is obviously the hinge, and then there's this spring catch here which keeps it closed when not in use, and also this little hook is used to hook it up onto an elasticated strap when it's on the back of the seat, just to hold the lid up. I'm trying to glue it at the moment and I'm not doing very well with it. It's so thin, the plastic. It's got a quite big spring on it. I ended up using a bit of an old ballpoint pen for part of the hinge. There was no metal bit inside. It's a fair bit of trimming went on to get it right. And without infringing any copyright or anything, it's just playing a little bit of Status Quo DVD, and the batteries seems to be taking a charge. I've got it down on the floor but not fully charged it as yet, but it looks like it's going to do the job, and it will play music and things like that. So I wouldn't have said it was trash. Let's go down to another track, see what that is. I've got the sound turned off at the moment. Not a very big screen, but yeah, I like it. It's going to be treasure, I'm pretty sure. Well, that's it all working, folks. I'm not sure the battery life. I'll have to run that at a different time, but the battery bank comes apart, or battery pack I should say, comes apart, so I could change the batteries. And I've still got to do the clip here, but the clip only holds it shut. It doesn't perform any other function apart from clips it to the case. I can do without that. So this is going to be treasure. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and this will be useful to be used in the motorhome, as we don't have a TV, we don't have a radio, we don't have a CD player, we don't have any speakers. So it's small enough as my hand, and it will fit nicely in our van. So once again, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like, and whoopee, another treasure.